Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show around this 208 in the active specification. So this car has the 7-inch touchscreen, which features DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. You get air conditioning, there's cruise control with speed limiter. The car's done 13,000 miles. So let's have a look around. This car has the 1.2 litre PureTech engine, which gives you 82 horsepower. And if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.